to all of you. Today I am going to present the class Active Learning under NEP 2020. The subtitle this enhancing student engagement and retention. What is active learning? Today we shall learn what is the definition of active learning. Active learning refers to an instructional approach where students actively participate in the learning process. It means the teacher does not take much role as like the student. Unlike traditional passive learning, lecture based, mostly we teach according to lecture basis method. But in active learning refers to an instructional approach where students actively participate, not the teacher. Unlike traditional passive learning, lecture based, students engage in activities that promote analysis, problem solving, and application of knowledge. Encourages critical thinking, collaboration, and deeper understanding. Now, importance of active learning. What is the importance of this active learning? Improved retention. Active engagement leads to better memory and understanding. Development of critical skills. Helps in developing skills like collaboration, communication, and problem solving. Suppose that the students are given some topics to solve and the students participate in it. Increased motivation. All the teachers motivate the students how to face the circumstances, how to given the problem you can solve. Increased motivation. Students become more motivated and take ownership of their learning. Higher achievement. Studies show that active learning improves a student's performance. Principles of active learning. A student-centered. Basically, in traditional teaching method, which is known as lecture method, teacher plays an important role. But in this active learning process, a student-centered activity focuses on the learner's needs and interest. We look the interest of the students. We can take the example of Panchtantra. Vishnu Sharma, we all know that Vishnu Sharma wrote Panchtantra. In Panchtantra, he wrote about birds and animals because the students or the disciples were interested in those creatures. That's why he wrote based on those creatures, and according to their choices, he wrote the stories. Engagement encourages students to actively process information. We all teachers encourage the students. They should not lose their patience. They should speak boldly. They should try to explain about anything which topic has been given. So encouragement, collaboration. Learning is often collaborative and interactive. Feedback. Continuous feedback helps students improve. As we also take Monday test, and in the class also we take several types of feedback when we teach the students. We ask some questions separately as well as among the students, and we take the feedback of the students. Reflection. Students reflect on their learning process to deepen understanding. We know that students, by this process, the students get deep knowledge in the given subject. And active learning techniques. What are the techniques of active learning? Think, pair, share. Students think individually, then discuss with a partner and share with the class. We give the work to do the particular student, and the other student also share it, and a student think individually at first, after that then discuss with a partner and share with the class. Group discussion, a small group discussion on a topic followed by group presentation. We give some topic to discuss, the students and all the students participate in the topic. Case study. Students analyze real world problems and propose solutions. Sometimes we give the example, suppose that if an accident occurs, what you can do? At the same time, the different students will give different ideas based on that case studies. When we give the case, they give different ideas, role playing. We also give the students for role playing in different type of dramas and different type of a small plays. Students take on roles to explore different perspectives. Peer teaching. Peer teaching, as we all know, that one student teach another. Peer teaching. Students explain concepts to one another to reinforce their own. Now we shall know benefits of active learning. For students, better retention and comprehension, increased confidence in applying knowledge, enhanced problem solving skills. For teachers, these are the benefits for the students. Better retention, it means they can learn better by this process. A loop of a lecture method and increased confidence among the students, enhanced problem solving skills. For teachers, what is the benefit for the teachers? More dynamic and interactive classrooms. Classrooms are interactive. Opportunity to assess a student's understanding continuously. All the teachers got the opportunity to learn about the students separately by this process. Easier to identify and address learning gaps. Challenges of active learning. Now, challenges of active learning. Time constraint. More time is required for planning and activities. By the process of lecture method, we only orally speak and we do not give them chance to share. But in this process, we have to give the time, enough time for the students. That's why time constant, more time is required for planning and activity. Suppose that we want to give the some role, the students to play the drama. At that time, we require enough time. A student resistance. Some students may prefer traditional methods. There are some students who like the traditional methods teacher will teach, because some students have shyness. Due to that, they do not express their thought due to hesitation. That's why students like traditional methods too much. Classroom management. And we all know that classroom management is not so as like uh, active learning. We are given the class as like traditional or lecture method. Classroom management, managing group activities and diverse learning styles can be challenging. Assessment, developing appropriate assessments for active learning outcome. Now, examples of active learning in practice. Suppose that science. We can take the example of science students. A student conducts experiments. All the students conduct experiment, analyze data and present findings. We take the students in laboratory and they do the experiment separately. History. For history, group projects to research historical events, debates on historical interpretation. All the students are given group projects. All the students do the activity together and make the projects together. They collect the events of history, debates on historical interpretations. Maths, problem solving in teams, collaborative problem analysis. Literature, peer reviews of writing. Suppose that in literature we can give the students write neat and clean, and we share the copy. We also share the copy one another to check the copy whose writing is very neat and clean. Peer reviews of writing. Group discussions of literary themes. We give also the literary themes. The students know about the writers or epics or any types of literary themes. Technology and active learning. Online collaboration tools. Platforms like Google, Docs, Milo and Padlet allow students to collaborate and share ideas. With these tools, students can do their work very easily. Interactive simulations. Tools like PHET help students visualize complex concepts. Gamification. Incorporating game-like elements to make learning more engaging and motivating. We make also game for choosing the article, which article will be appropriate, which preposition will be appropriate, and we make the game, and with the help of the game the students can learn the things. Online quizzes and polls, tools like Kahoot and Quizlet promote active participation and instant feedback. We get a instant and within some moment what will be the result with this help. Steps to incorporate active learning. Set clear objectives. Know what you want your students to achieve. What your students want to achieve. Suppose that the students wants to be scientist, an engineer, then we should give the same ideas as the students want accordingly, not according to our own choice. Select appropriate activities. Choose activities that suit your learning goals. It means select appropriate activities. Activities should be based, goal based, not out of goal. गोल बेस्ड होना चाहिए, ना कि गोल से हट करके. जिस लक्ष्य की ओर बच्चा बढ़ रहा है उस लक्ष्य की ओर हमें देना है, नहीं कि जो है से लक्ष्य से हट करके. If the student wants to be an engineer, we should give the same idea as like an engineer. Create a supportive environment. Foster a classroom atmosphere where students feel comfortable engaging. Room should be according to be their comfort. उनके कंफर्ट के लायक होना चाहिए. ये नहीं कि सफोकेशन वाला जो है रूम मिल जाए, किसी भी तरह से वो वहाँ जो है अंधेरा रहे, रूम में जो है प्रकाश नहीं हो, ऐसा भी नहीं हो. क्रिएट ए सपोर्टिव एनवायरनमेंट. प्रोवाइड फीडबैक. वी शुड टेक फीडबैक टाइम टू टाइम, not only half yearly and yearly exam. We should take feedback in the classroom regularly. क्लासरूम में भी हमें जो है रेगुलर जो है फीडबैक लेना है, ना कि जो है केवल जो है परीक्षा ही के समय में ही हमें लेना है. Assess and reflect. Continuously evaluate the effectiveness of your active learning strategies. एक्टिव लर्निंग का जो स्ट्रेटजीज है उसको जो है हम फॉलो करते हुए बच्चों को हम देखें. कंक्लूजन. एक्टिव लर्निंग इज एन इफेक्टिव मेथड. इट इज एन इफेक्टिव मेथड फॉर इनहैंसिंग द स्टूडेंट इंगेजमेंट एंड डीपनिंग अंडरस्टैंडिंग. यानी बच्चे के जो नॉलेज है, ज्ञान है, उसकी गहराई तक ले जाने के लिए इस मेथड का प्रयोग किया जाता है. लेक्चर मेथड से ऊपर ऊपर ही पार कर जाता है. बहुत से बच्चे समझ पाते हैं, कुछ नहीं समझ पाते. जो समझने लायक है वही समझ पाते हैं. लेकिन जब सभी बच्चे इवॉल्व हो जाते हैं तो ऐसी स्थिति में सभी बच्चे कुछ न कुछ सीख पाते हैं. बाय इंटरेस्टिंग इंटरैक्टिव एक्टिविटीज and promoting collaboration, students take an active role in their education. We should not scold the students. हमें डांट फटकार नहीं करना चाहिए कि तुम जो है से नहीं सीख पाएगा, ऐसा जो है से नहीं, उनको जो है से हमेशा इंकरेज करना चाहिए ताकि वो जो है से अपने लक्ष्य को प्राप्त कर सके. ओवरकमिंग challenges and leveraging technology can make active learning even more effective and accessible. Nowadays, most of the students learn how to run the laptop, how to run the computer very well. टीचर से अधिक जो है से बच्चे जान लेते हैं, उनको उस प्रोसेस में ज्यादा जान रहे हैं, उनको और अच्छी जानकारी है, उन्हें जो है से और ओवरकमिंग चैलेंजेस एंड लर्निंग टेक्नोलॉजी कैन मेक एक्टिव लर्निंग. ट्रेडिशनल केवल हम बताते रहे कि ट्रेडिशनल से ही पढ़ो, किताब से ही बुकिश नॉलेज ही हम देते रहे, वो जो है से ठीक नहीं होगा. बच्चे भी इंटरेस्टेड नहीं रहेंगे क्योंकि आज के समय में जो बच्चे बढ़ रहे हैं वो बहुत दूसरे तरह से बढ़ रहे हैं और कई तरह के डीप नॉलेज जो है से आप से ज़्यादा जो है से जानने का प्रयास करते हैं गूगल से और सर्च करते हैं और वो जानकारी रखते हैं. Embrace active learning to create more dynamic, engaging and impactful learning experiences. Thank you. Now, have you any problem? Can you ask?